It's the wacky viral trend sweeping the nation.
I'm going to line these up tallest to shortest.
It's called Fridgescaping. Creative types organize and decorate the inside of their refrigerators with all sorts of things you wouldn't normally find in a fridge, like tulips, picture frames, even sculptures. In this one, the butter has its own little awning, surrounded by flowers. This one looks like an enchanted forest, complete with mood lighting.
I'm going to cut some of this for the refrigerator.
Lindsay Judish is a popular fridgescaper. She says she spent about 3 hours creating her Bridgerton-themed arrangement called What Else? Fridgerton.
I thought it was just so beautiful. Such a fun way to romanticize your kitchen.
She places berries in porcelain and grapes in a lovely glass bowl. Lindsay showed us how she beautifies her fridge every 2 weeks.
So I think we're going to fill in some of the blanks with some candles.
Yep, Lindsay puts LED candles in her fridge. And check out that bust of a woman in a turkey. Milk gets poured into pretty glass vases, and edible flowers go into vases that look like books. So along with your groceries, you may want to pick up some fridge decorations too.